Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Cline CLI on Windows 11 operating system. So if I go into this command prompt, and first here in my system must be Node.js that installed. So if I write there node-v, then you can see Node version 24 that installed. Npm must be there. So Npm 11 version. Let's use the CLS command. Python should be there. So Python minus version we need to write. Okay, let's use the CLS command. So we need to write there Python minus version. So here you can see 314 that install. Now I'm going to install their Cline on Cline CLI on Windows operating system. So for this one, I'm going to use their npm, then install -j, and here you need to write their Cline. So with the help of npm, that going to install their Cline -g for global. Press enter. So after writing this command, you need to press enter. This here is doing some download. After that we do the installation of Cline on this Cline CLI on this Windows operating system. This place I did 125 packets in 2 minutes, and this here. Thereafter, let's write there C line -version. So you can see there Cline version, what exactly version of the Cline 2.90 that install. Let's use their Cline. Then after writing this place Cline. So you should write there to open the Cline CLI. You need to write this. Then you can see welcome to Cline. Here you can see sign in with Cline and ChatGPT, and here API. So pressing their first option. So here thereafter complete sign in to your browser. Now let's open their Microsoft Edge just once. So then you need to do their Cline signing. You can use this Cline account, or you can use Microsoft, or you can use their Google GitHub. Let's use their Google account. Now you need to give this here correct email. Now you can see authentication successful. Thereafter go back there. You can use this Gemini or Gemini Data CTX. This here Cloudy. You can use Cloudy Opus GPT-5 Codex, or this you can use there. Let's use their first option, and there you can ask any kind of question there. Let's write there hi. This here, this is returning there. Okay. So this is how we can do here installation of Cline on Windows 11 operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.